Hey there! Have you ever wondered about gravity? About what causes milk bottles, spoons, and bowls of cereal to fall to the floor rather than to the ceiling? What invisible entity comes in physical contact with the skin of these objects? What pulls them downwards towards the center of the earth? Well, here's a neat way to visualize the mechanism of gravity. It explains why gravity goes through things and affects every atom. Imagine an elephant falling through outer space. As the elephant approaches the Earth, our planet accelerates him. Assume now that all the atoms of the elephant and the Earth are physically interconnected. When the elephant is very far away, the lines come together and act as one. Conversely, the closer the elephant is to Earth, the more the lines fan out. And the more lines that act independently, the faster he falls. The angles at which the lines extend change as a function of distance. Now you understand what causes gravitational acceleration. So give yourself a pat on the back. You can now explain the invisible mechanism that underlies gravity to a baby.